In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kit email subscribe button on Medium. We're going to focus on a simple method that uses Kit's widget-style share link. This gives you a clean, branded card inside your Medium story that looks and feels like an embedded form without needing to touch any code. By the end, you'll be able to drop a ready-made subscribe box right into your articles so readers can join your list without leaving Medium. First, head over to your Kit account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation and click on the Grow section. Under Grow, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing forms and landing pages are stored, and where you can create new ones if you need to. Find the form or landing page you want readers to subscribe through. This might be a general newsletter form, a specific lead magnet, or a waitlist. Take a second to make sure the title, description, and branding are what you want Medium readers to see, because this is what will be reflected in the card that appears. When you've selected the right form, look to the top right corner of the screen and click either Share or Embed. Both options will bring you to a panel where Kit gives you different ways to use that form. For our purposes, you don't need any HTML code or complicated settings. Instead, locate the simple share link. It will look something like a short link that starts with ck.page. Highlight that share link and copy it. This is the only thing you need from Kit. Think of it as a smart link that Medium will automatically turn into a nice, clickable subscribe card. Now switch over to Medium and open the story where you want to add your subscribe button. Place your cursor on a new line where it makes the most sense, usually after a strong introduction or at the end of your article. Paste the share link directly into the Medium editor. Medium will detect the link and, after a moment, convert it into a rich, embedded card that matches Kit's branding. If you don't see the card right away, give it a second, or try pressing enter after the link. Once it appears, you can continue writing above or below it as usual. That's all there is to it. You've now added a Kit email subscribe button to your Medium story using the widget method.